Hey everyone, welcome back to WordWeek. Today we're mastering 10 super useful English words you hear in daily life. These words will help your English sound more natural and confident. Ready? Let's dive right in. Our first word is procrastinate, which means delaying things you know you should do even when you are aware it will cause problems later, like saying, I always procrastinate before exams, because instead of studying, you tell yourself, I'll start in 5 minutes. And those 5 minutes turn into an hour of scrolling social media, watching random videos, or doing anything except the actual task. Something almost everyone has experienced at least once. Our second word is nostalgia, which is that emotional feeling of missing old times deeply, like watching old movies or old TV shows and suddenly remembering school days. A simpler routine, childhood games, old phones, old photos, and friends you don't talk to anymore, where one song or one memory is enough to take you back in time. And the next word is awkward, which describes situations that feel socially uncomfortable or embarrassing, such as an awkward silence where nobody knows what to say, a group chat suddenly going quiet after one message, meeting someone and forgetting their name, or standing there smiling while wishing the moment would just pass. Our next word is sarcasm, which means saying the opposite of what you actually mean in a humorous way, like telling your friend amazing work after they spill water everywhere, or saying great timing when someone shows up very late, where the words sound positive, but the meaning is clearly meant as a joke. Moving on, our next word is paranoid, which refers to constantly overthinking negative possibilities without a real reason, such as repeatedly checking your pocket to make sure your phone is still there, locking the door, and then going back to check it again, or worrying that something bad might happen even when everything is perfectly fine. Our next word is ambition, meaning the strong desire to achieve something big in life. That inner motivation pushing you to work harder, improve yourself, set goals, and keep moving forward even when things get difficult or slow. After that, the next word is chaos, which means a complete lack of order or control, like a classroom where everyone is talking at the same time, chairs are moving, papers are everywhere, the teacher is trying to calm everyone down, and nothing feels organized. Our next word is obsess, which means being unable to stop thinking about something, like checking your phone again and again for messages, constantly refreshing social media, replaying the same thought in your head, or thinking so much about a goal that it stays in your mind all day. The next word is genuine, which describes something real and authentic, not fake, like a genuine smile that looks natural and warm compared to a forced smile, and genuine people who are honest, kind, and don't pretend to be someone they're not. And finally, our last word is irony, which is when the opposite of what you expect happens, such as someone who always complains about mornings becoming an early riser, or someone who says they never exercise, ending up enjoying long walks, showing how life often surprises us by flipping expectations in unexpected ways. So that brings us to the end of today's words. By learning vocabulary with real-life examples, it becomes easier to remember and use these words naturally in everyday conversations. Keep practicing, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next WordWeek video.